Bonjour! Today we are going to make the silkiest caramel you've ever had. This is my favorite caramel recipe. It will stay soft even if you put it in the fridge. First, bring to a boil 250 grams of whipping cream and leave aside. You can infuse that cream with vanilla or any spice that you like. Now, in a saucepan at medium heat, cook 125 grams of white sugar with 125 grams of white corn syrup or glucose. Glucose is the secret to that recipe. This is what's going to make your caramel soft and tender. Cook until your caramel becomes amber brown. Add your hot whipping cream little by little to the pan and whisk. Now cook for 2 more minutes while whisking. Pour your caramel in a bowl and leave aside for 15 minutes for it to cool down. You can now add 70 grams of butter and 1 teaspoon of salt. Whisk to incorporate them, or better, use a hand mixer to get the perfect emulsion. Et voilà! Don't forget to share this with your caramel lover friends. Peace!